Hello, and welcome to this brief tutorial covering the ebook for Bcis 1405. My name is Lisa Hammonds, and I'll be the instructor facilitating you throughout this semester. In order to start with the course, you'll need to go ahead and purchase an access code from the bookstore. This access code provides you access to the lecture content, the downloadable lab files, as well as tests and quizzes. So I thought it might be a good idea to just kind of give you a brief tour of the ebook and the links therein, and just kind of give you a description of how you would navigate. So when it comes to the lecture content, basically you can associate that with the chapter readings, and this is the information that you will need to complete the tests and the quizzes. So that means that the tests and quizzes will cover the information found in the lecture content. There's 10 lessons, and there's quite a bit to cover in these 8 weeks. Now, the second part of the course involves you completing hands-on exercises under this lab content link. Under lab content, there are 5 sections of labs. There's Windows, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. Basically, what you need to do is, as we're working through the course, you would choose the appropriate section for which you want to complete a lab. So let's say, for example, you are ready to complete the Windows labs. You click on the Windows link, and in this window, you would see areas for you to download files for 3 different operating systems. So here's how this works. Depending on the operating system you're running on your computer, that will determine which labs you do for Windows. So if you're running Windows 7, you download the Windows labs, and so forth and so on. And each one of these little boxes provides you with an opportunity to download the files that are needed for you to complete the labs. So as part of these files, you'll find instructions, step-by-step instructions actually, on how to complete the labs. Each lab is presented in a lesson format covering a specific topic. And as you can see here from this particular window, these are some of the topics that are covered. Once again, you will only need to download the labs for the operating system that you have on your system. I'm going to go back to lab content, and let's take a look at another application. So if you were ready to complete the Word labs, click on Word. And so what we have here are Word labs that are comparable for either an Office 2013 installation or Office 2010. So, depending on which version of Office you have installed, you will complete the level 1 and 2 for that version. Now, there's more information about how to submit the labs, but that's found in eCampus. For the most part, the content in the ebook involves the instructions on how you would complete the labs. Now, the ebook as well is where you would go to complete the tests and quizzes. So when it's time to complete a test or a quiz, you simply click on that test quiz link and then choose the option accordingly. When you have completed the quiz, it will be, and or test, it will be graded, and you will be able to review your grade as well as take a look and see, the questions you got wrong, and you'll be able to see, the correct answer. Now I'm going to come back to glossary, but I want to point your attention to the grade book. The grade book link, now your grade book link may not look like this one because I'm logged in as the instructor. However, you will be able to see all of the tests and quizzes that you have completed, and you'll get to review your answers and so that you can prepare for, let's say, other tests, and like the final, which is a test covering all the lessons. Now, when it comes to the glossary is just an area that you can go for a quick review of terms throughout the entire ebook. So as you can see, it's labeled terms from chapter 1 through 10. So again, this helps you kind of prepare for the tests and quizzes. I hope this little tour helps you in understanding how to navigate the ebook. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll be happy to help you out. I look forward to working with all of you. Good luck.